hike during the 10-day vacation. And on the way back, we learned from coolies that in May, that just a day before, Mount Everest had been summited. Now we learned later that there had been some difficulty in getting the word out in Nepal that the summiting had occurred. And so coolies had been sent to take the word. And we often wondered if any of those coolies were the ones that had told us that Everest had been summited.
Oh, wow.
So that was the second thing I wanted to mention. The third is that I think our class is the only one that had a class member who shot a tiger.
Oh, yes.
Ray Smith. So the villagers from near Pepper Pot had found that a tiger was attacking their cows. This was very serious for them. And so Ray was summoned to go out and possibly be able to kill the tiger, which he was able to do. And I think many of us remember when he came back, the coolies were carrying the tiger on 2 poles, and school let out as we welcomed Ray and the tiger back. And then the fourth thing I